Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we are going to discuss how to carry forward packs or sizes automatically in purchase orders. Before configuring this option, let us first observe the default behavior. When you transact an item, you have to manually select the required sizes or packs each time, even if they belong to the same item. To simplify this process and avoid selecting sizes again and again, the software provides an option to carry forward sizes automatically. To enable this, open the configuration window and go to the General Options section. Tick to enable option labeled as Carry Forward Sizes. Once you enable this option, save the changes and initiate a new purchase order. Now, when you transact any item, you will notice that all the sizes associated with the item are automatically carried forward and transacted, without requiring manual selection each time.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.